Welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna review this Overwatch Figma Treasure from Overwatch Blizzard KSG Max Factory. Okay, this is not a toys, it's a small part not for children under 2 years old. If you up from 3 years old, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, you can play this Figma. Okay, this is the treasure box. Lol, I've got mine, it's SNI. Okay, I don't need to explain this. This is a pause, quick pause. Still a box. Cool figure. I think I'm gonna from the top. Just brings nothing. This is the figure in Mr. You got plastic bag always, and the Figma. I've got plenty of Figma, but this is you got spare hand, the defense, some kind of joint, one spare joint, stand, exclusive I think. This is a Blizzard made in Chinese production. This is Figma, original one Figma. Okay, the next is this, the part. If you're pulling, you must check this manual or this, yes, manual, handling instruction. You need to check the part. It's A until I, 1 until 8. If there is something miss, you cannot find something, like maybe one of this hand is missing, you can exit seller or you can pause tier Max Factory, Good Smile Company. I was playing, but I've got no hand. Ta-da! And you will send extra hand to your house. But mine is complete, I think. I never send anything like your KSC or whatever to the factory. I'm fine. I mean, this is my figure is fine. Nothing missing part, no missing part. This is the figure, 2 handgun, 2 another first blade, and what is this? Some kind of accessory, bomb, hand bomb maybe. Okay, forget about it. And this is the figure. I'm gonna review the figure. As looks always Figma, you can, oh yeah, I like the short hair Figma. It means you can pose whatever you want, you can upside down, no issues here. You can pull the head off, you can swap with another joint like this or another head of Figma. You can put in the body. That's why I like Figma, because the hand, the head, the wrist, the leg, the shoes, they can put off and put in, attack with easily. And my Figma never been loose. Oh yeah, this is new. I this is my first time unboxing and review it. You can pull it out and make it back again as you wish, whatever. And this is the Figma. All of the Figma got the back of this body is always in a hole. This means you can attach a stand. The stand it's put in here. Okay, let me show you. Here the stand can use, as you can see, and this is the lower part, and you can connect it like this. I think my child can connect it easily without any help. And this one, this is the stand of Figma. If you already purchase or you collecting Figma, you already know. But maybe if you new to this figure, good smile company Figma, Figma doesn't have any kind. Another figure is got looks like crab. Hulk mount figure. You can put in here, but Figma doesn't have any stand like this except for optional one. I mean the special one of Figma got like this stand. But if normally Figma only like this, and the back body of Figma it's always a hole. Normally, not not the special Figma. Maybe speaking of special Figma, there's no hole in here. But I'll show you how to do it. I take this. And that's all. Yeah, Figma is free to pose. Yeah, I like Figma. It's free to pose so much. Even I can change the head, I can change the body, I can change the hair, I can change everything. I can pull it out and put it back, or I'm gonna change it with my other figure. You can pause it. This is okay. Articulation stand is already know, isn't it? Okay. The articulation. The head is no issues there, and up. Cannot up too much. Stuck in here. Okay. The next is the hand. The hand, you can pull it up, whatever, you can rotating it without any obstacles. It's cool. You want to pose like everything, you can. Oops, why the leg is fallen. Okay, then the articulation is in his chest. You can rotate it, but oh yeah, you can rotate it until his back. So scary, but you can rotate it back just like the normal is. You can pull it off or not. It's too tight, but you can pull it off. But let it be that just like this. And now it's the leg. You can put it front, you can put it backward, you can pull it this knee, and this is, you can put left, right, left, only left, not right, left, right. Oh yeah, you can do it, and up and down and down. The other is all the same. The articulation is very good. There is no any obstacles when you want to pose it, when you want to display it, whatever you want it, as you wish, like that. And interchange head. Okay, I'm gonna change the expression of this character. Treasure Figma. Okay, I'll show you how to change the face expression. Oh yeah, I almost forgot this. stomach can do this. Can you can up and down. Okay, and now the expressions up. Pull this hair, front hair, and pull this out, and you can fill it with this or this. I prefer this one. You can see the teeth of treasure teeth. Now the hand, I'm gonna change hand. You just pull this out, just pull this out. Wow. Put it back, the joint, and the hand. What do you want? Okay, I'm gonna put this hand. The holding gun hand. You can see the point finger is on the trigger. It's the same. I'm gonna put it. So as I can see, you can post whatever you want. You can what do you want it? And this treasure, it seems to be a happily type of character. I don't know. I never played Overwatch, but if you play some kind of mobile legend, I'm in. I'm Bruno user. I'm using Bruno. My name is my ID name on game. It's same as my Instagram. You can find me there. Mobile legend, Overwatch. I'm not playing, but I like this. I like this figure, so I'm just poof, put it auto pre-order. Lol, this is cool figure. You can post whatever you want. Okay, there's a lot of possibilities, so I'm gonna show you the extra hand. So this figure got 8, 9, 10 extra head. Those 2 and this 8, 10 extra head. This is the Facebook. And wait a minute. And this one, I don't know what is this using for, but it looks like a bomb, time bomb or something like that. I'm not playing Blizzard game. I don't have any PlayStation, and I don't have any television too. Haha, lol. Okay, this is treasure. This is so worth to buy, but there is but. I think it's not cheap figure, it's not cheap toys, but the accessories is minimalist. Look like this. You got just two hand gun, one this thing and 18, and the box and blister and plastic bag. We need more accessories. Looks like another face plate or a face without glasses or whatever. I think it's too expensive figure for me, but I'm still gonna buy it anyway. But money talks, isn't it? If you're rich, it doesn't even matter. But if you're not just like me, I will gonna buy Figma not every month, but when I like it. I mean, normally I'm buying 1 until 4 until 5 Figmas on 1 month, but because of lack of accessory, lack of high price, so I'm thinking I'm gonna bring something else, more cheaper, more cool than Figma. but still I'm gonna play Figma, but not. Okay, that's my review, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and add some comment too. Thank you very much.